I've spent 400 souls looking at this ceiling. Today, the ground is finally talking back to me. The spikes are too clean, too purposeful. It's not tectonic. These seismic spikes aren't tectonic. They have a tempo, like something is waking up down in the labyrinthus. No. Hairline crack. Mars doesn't break things all at once. It nibbles at the edges until there's nothing left to hold on to. Once the helmet locks, the hab becomes a memory. It's just me in the suit now.
The scale always hits you first. It doesn't matter how many times you step out. You're always too small.
The sensors in the hab were right. This whole shelf is shifting. It feels like the ground is breathing under my boots.
I heard it. Not through the air, but through the suit. A step. Just like mine, but coming from behind.
It's following my rhythm. Every time I stop, it stops. Every time I walk, it waits for the echo.
Not a print. It's venting, pulsing CO2.
Oxygen is dropping, CO2 rising, engaging scrubbers, full power. It's breathing, it's all breathing. The ground isn't just breathing, it's breaking. This whole shelter site is sitting on a pressurized bomb.
I'm in the dark. The suit is screaming, but the data is moving. I can feel the signal hum in my wrist.
Got it. The slab is moving.
I know it's just an acoustic shadow, the sound bouncing off the new fractures, but it sounds like something is waiting for me to move again.
Stuck. NG. Come on. Almost. Got it.
Every step I take is a trigger. I'm playing this planet like a massive, broken instrument. And the song is a warning. Readings indicate 95% CO2, argon, and neon. It's a direct conduit. Recording data. The physics of terror. It was just gas and echoes. But knowing that doesn't make the silence any less heavy.
I can't leave this data behind. If the HAB knows where the pressure points are, they can vent them. If not, this tube will collapse just like the last one.
I can't hold it much longer. 96, 97. It's almost there. Just a little longer.
I got it. The data is safe. Now I just need to be. 12%. On a good day, that's an hour. Today, with this damage and this climb, it's gonna be close.
I'm in. I'm actually in.
My body is the only part of this mission I can't replace. And today,
It wasn't a ghost. It was a fuse. And I just found the way to put it out before the next crew arrives. Sol 400. Noctis Labyrinthus is mapped. The gas is real. The Stalker is gone. But Mars is still listening.
God, that's cold. It's here. Ugh. I don't have time to wait. I need the sealant.
The canyon is still moving. It's like the planet is trying to spit this base off its back like a piece of grit.
No time. Keep moving. Get it sealed. It's buckling.
Mars doesn't want neighbors. Every bolt I drive into this rock is a declaration of war against the silence. The sun is coming up, but the ground isn't stopping. I'm just holding the door shut against a world that wants to be open.
Come on, open! Come on! Just give!
God, no! The airlock! Close it! Move! Move! Come on!
That was too close. Even for Mars. I can't keep doing this alone, but I don't have a choice.
The ground is quiet. For now. Mars had its say, and I'm still standing. That's a win in my book.
Sol 401. The mission is done. The shelter is safe. But I'm starting to think the silence is the part that actually kills you. No! It's not over! The planet just took a breath. Now it's screaming.
I saved the base. Now I have to cut it in half to keep it alive.
Almost there. I've got to make it work. It's buckling. Come on, turn. Just a little more. Come on.
It took the airlock. It tried to take the whole house. But I'm still here. And the greenhouse is still green.
Final status report. It's just me now. I will keep this place alive. I am the Guardian. Sol 401. The Silent Stalker is gone. Mars is quiet. And I'm still here. That's all that matters. Sol 402. The canyon is quiet. The base is safe. And I'm still here. I think I finally understand why I came.